Hey guys, this is Christy in Buda, Texas. Today, instead of talking about real estate, I thought I would talk to you a little bit about Texas. I'm a Texas girl, born and raised. I have lived out of the state, and at times that I've had to move out of the state, I've always had my Texas flag with me, just to prove my citizenship. So in the great words of Sandy the Squirrel, you can't say nothing bad about Texas. Here in Texas, we have Gigi's and Mamas. We say yes ma'am and yes sir. We wave to anybody we see. We half nod. We say y'all a lot. People say we talk funny. I'm not sure about that one. But I love Texas. I was born here. My kids were born here. My mom lives here, and I love to go visit her because I can go 2 houses down and see my best friend's mom and dad. When we re-enter the state in Texas, we sing "The Stars at Night Are Big and Bright" and clap with our families. True Texans love others. They haven't met a stranger. They love to help you out. Welcome to Texas, y'all. And if you have any questions, reach out to me.